In this video, we shall be learning about the various diseases that are related to the lipid metabolism. So mainly we will be covering 4 diseases. Number 1, Gaucher's disease, then Tay-Sachs disease, then the Niemann-Pick's disease, and lastly the Fabry's disease. So now let us start them one by one. Number 1 is Gaucher's disease. So what is Gaucher's disease? It is an hereditary syndrome caused by deficiency of glucocerebrosidase. So it is an hereditary disease or an hereditary syndrome that is mainly caused by deficiency of glucocerebrosidase. Caused by deficiency of glucocerebrosidase. It is an enzyme. The disease is quite common in the Eastern European population. This disease leads to an enlarged liver. Now, what are the symptoms of this? Symptoms are, number 1, it is causing enlargement of liver and spleen also. Brownish pigmentation of skin. Also, yellow spots in eye appear due to accumulation of glucocerebrosides, yellow spots in eyes. Now, it can be treated with enzyme replacement therapy. Can be treated with enzyme replacement therapy. The next disease is Tay-Sachs disease. Now the second one, that is Tay-Sachs disease. So what is this? It is the oldest medically described lipid storage disease or lipidosis. It is a common hereditary disorder caused by deficiency of enzyme hexosaminidase. It is caused by deficiency of enzyme hexosaminidase. Resulting in the accumulation of gangliosides in the tissue. It causes accumulation of gangliosides in tissues. Now, symptoms include retardation in development and difficulty in eating. Number 1 is weakness, retarded growth, the children usually die by age of 3 or 4. It is a disease that can be diagnosed during fetal development by amniocentesis. The disease, however, cannot be treated or cured. It can be detected during fetal development. However, no cure is present for this disease. Now, the third one is Niemann-Pick disease. Now the third one is Niemann-Pick disease. It is a rare genetic disorder caused by deficiency of enzyme sphingomyelinase. So it is caused by deficiency of sphingomyelinase enzyme. The most severe form of disease occurs in the Jewish people, sometimes it is said. And in most severe form, type A, the children fail to grow properly and have the mental retardation, and children fail to grow and and children develop various neurological problems. The death ensues by 2 years of age. So it is of two types, type A and type B. Type A is more severe. That causes various neurological problems. And it is fatal. Whereas type B, that development of fatty growths in the skin, so fatty growths occur in the skin. It also leads to pigmentation, a very dark colored pigmentation. And also leads to enlargement of liver, spleen and lymph nodes. So the last one is Fabry's disease. What is Fabry's disease? It is a glycolipid product of fat metabolism that accumulates in the tissue. The disease occurs only in males. So what happens in it? There is a accumulation of glycolipids. It develops only in males as defective gene is carried on the sex chromosome. The accumulation of glycolipids leads to non-cancerous skin growth. They may lead to non-cancerous skin growth. Cornea becomes cloudy. And leads to poor vision. Kidney failure may occur. High blood pressure. So these are the common symptoms of this Fabry's disease. The disease can be cured or even treated directly. The treatment consists of taking analgesics to help relieve the pain and fever. Kidney failure can be treated by a kidney transplant. So this disease can be treated. Symptomatic relief can be given. So symptomatic relief can be given also. And for the case of kidney failure, kidney transplant is the only option so that the patient can be cured. So students, this was all regarding the disease related to the lipid metabolism. So there are 4 types: Gaucher's, Tay-Sachs disease, Niemann-Pick disease and Fabry's disease. I hope this brief information regarding these diseases is enough to explain or understand the concept. In further classes we shall be understanding them in detail.